Hi everyone.
What's up?
I mean, we've already done a 100,000 subscriber special, but as you guys might know, if you have 100,000 subscribers, you also get the famous YouTube button. And this is also a moment that we wanted to share with you, the unboxing.
I mean, if you check the sub count under this video, we're probably now around like 120 and 121,000 subscribers. Kai was on vacation. In the meantime, the button has arrived. Pretty dodged up package. I don't know what happened on the way, but let's hope that it's unscratched. Should do this together, right? Let's see.
No, go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. Here we go. Obviously, this is not only our award, it's also your award because you are part of our community, and I mean, we cannot achieve anything without you guys, so this is in part also your award. And again, I think we mentioned it already in the 100,000 subscriber special, we are very grateful. We never thought that we could have achieved 100,000 subscribers. This is something we, I think, dreamt about a couple of years ago when we were basically kidding about it.
Yeah.
So and now it's reality.
Yeah, also, again, thanks a lot for subscribing. Thanks a lot for your continuing support on this channel by watching our videos, liking, by leaving comments, really taking part in this community and making this possible. It's really great to finally hold this in our hands. Thanks a lot.
All right, this was just a short unpacking, unboxing video. So that's a moment we wanted to share with you. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
See ya.